making your wife to suffer? Then what is the wife's job? Join with the husband. Then can't they say together, Father, you have done a promise to your girlfriend or wife or somebody. Why should I suffer for that? That would have been said. Nothing wrong. But Rama is not able to do that because it is not Rama's father who says, it is the king who says. Got it? If it was Rama's father, he can say, I will not listen to you. Because it's a family matter. Here it's not a family matter. If the king says something and his own family doesn't listen to them, then citizens will say, you are my children. If you don't listen to me, don't I say sometime? Who else will listen to me? And you are my most favorite student, and if you don't listen to me,
so then Pitruvakya Paripalana.
yeah, but that more than that is not a Pitrupalam. But who is your Pitra is also important, you know? He has got a social responsibility. That's why in Lord Krishna also tells Arjuna, same Rama avatar, no? Next Krishna avatar. Whatever he got from Vasishta as a advice for obeying his parents. Rama got it from Vasishta. When Rama's next birth, Krishna gave it to Arjuna. So whatever you get in one Janma, you will give it in some other Janma to somebody else. So now Krishna gives advice to Arjuna, and he says, Arjuna, if you don't listen, people will tell Arjuna ran away from his responsibility. Arjuna is supposed to fight. So you ran away from responsibility. You running away is not a big problem. We get some other soldier who will fight in your place. But then what people will say? They will not do their job. And they will say that Arjuna did like this. No. So you become a sample person when you have got higher responsibility. That's why same crime done by a coolie and same crime done by a collector. Collector will get more punishment. You can tell as a coolie fellow, I am ignorant. I didn't know that this is the punishment. I am not supposed to do it. If teacher does it, it becomes much more. Because you are a sample representative of the best person. That's why when you quote, you will see the responsibility you have. You know, when a celebrity does it, it comes in newspaper. Fine. So a celebrity should get a good punishment, so that it becomes a sample for everybody. That's why Lord Krishna told, if you ran away, people will tell that Arjuna ran away. So you become a role model. So Rama was a role model. Yadyata jarati sreshta tattadevetalochana sayat pramanam kurute logastathanuvartate. Yadyata jarati sreshta tattadevetalochana sayat pramanam kurute. That will become a pramanam. Pramanam is a document. Once you run away, that will become a document. Logastadanuvartate. And people will say, I will follow this. Right? Therefore, acharyas, a person who is responsible for showing the path to others, should never run away from responsibility, never do mistakes. He has to become a sample person. That's why when I remember when I was in an office, my director called me once and said, Shashikumar, you told many things bad about me to many people. Many people have quoted that, you told this and that about me. I said, great, sir. Do I say this about a attender? If I tell bad about attender, who will listen? About director only we can tell, no? So if many people are telling bad things about you, that means you are growing. That time Narasimha Rao was the Prime Minister. So we used to say Narasimha Rao's face is like this. Do we say Narasimha Rao's PS face is like this? No, no? That means if you say something about a great personality, and if many people are telling many things bad about you, that means you are a great personality. You must be happy about it. I was very strict, I am very strict even now and then also. So we get a lot of enemies. Every time when you become strict, definitely you get enemies. When you get enemies, they will tell bad things about you. That's very natural. She has a lot of examples. I do it in such a fashion. That's it. So I told, this is the person who must have told you this. This is the person who must have told you this. This is the person who must have. Is it right? Yeah. Yes. There is a reason. I know. You go. Don't worry, I said. So we know who is going to tell what about somebody. That's very, very clear. So you have a responsibility. Fine. You must understand. Arjuna has a responsibility, and Dharma Shastra is to be followed. Rama is the person who has been put as an embodiment of Dharma. He is a person with the Dharma. Purvam Ramatapovanaadigamanam Hatva Mrugam Kanchanam Hatva Mrugam Kanchanam Hatva Vaidehi Haranam Jadayumaranam Sugriva Sambhashanam Bali Nigrahanam Samudrataranam Langapuri Dahanam Paschat Ravana Kumbhakarna Hananam Edat Ramayanam. Similarly, we have Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvaveda, Upanishad, Narayaniyam, Saundarilahari. For everything, Eka Shlokas are there. That's in my book. Pada Parsha Prishtorujana. You can read this. Who can read English one? Read this. Shuddhyandam Jyotiraham Viraja Vipatma Bhuya Sangha Swaha Vakmanat Chakshu Srotra Granat Jikhwarido Buddhyagrati Sangalpa Me Shuddhyandam. It doesn't come. So you need little practice. Okay, yeah, next. The last line. There are so many.
Anantamaya Kosam Me Sudhyandam.
Anandamaya Kosham Me. You see the how she sings. Anandamaya Kosham Me Shuddhyandam. The last but one.
Jyotiraham Viraja.
No, last but 2 lines. This paragraph.
Manonmaya, Pranamaya, Manonmaya.
Maya Kadu. Manonmaya, Pranamaya, Annamaya, Pranamaya, Manonmaya, Vitnanamaya, Anandamaya Kosham Me Shuddhyandam, Jyotiraham Viraja Vipatma Bhuya Sangha Swaha. Next. Any more?
Twak Charma Mamsa Rudhira.
Tok Charma Mamsa Rudhira Majjastani Me Shuddhyandam.
Shabda Sparsa Rupa Rasa Gandha.
Shabda Sparsha Rupa Rasa Gandha
Me Sudhyandam.
Me Shuddhyandam.
Okay, Suddhi.
Shuddhi.
Okay, Sudhyandam. Jyotiraham Viraja. Prithvi Vyapastejo.
Prudhi Vyapa Stejo Vayu
Vayurakaso.
Vayur Akasho. Vayur Kasho. Kashi means money. Vayur Akasho Me Shuddhyandam. So you are asking everything to be clean. Your body, your manas, your buddhi, and surrounding. You are all clean, but the earth is not clean. The time you put your leg, it again becomes not clean, right? So it's called a Saptashuddhi.
Saptashuddhi, okay, 7.
Vak Manat Chakshu Srotra Granat Jikhwarido Buddhyagrati Sangalpa Me Shuddhyandam.
Sirapani Pada Parsva Purushtordhara. I don't know.
Shira, Pani, Pada, Parshva. Then?
Purushtordhara.
Yeah, the sitting place.
Prushtamo.
Prushtamo. Then?
Finish 7.
Me Shuddhyandam Jyotiraham Viraja Vipatma Bhuya Sangha Swaha.
Shall I read something else?
You can read whatever.
Shri Rudram. Om Namaste Astu Bhagavan Vishveshwaraya Mahadevaya Trayambakaya Tirupurantakaya.
Tripurandakaya. Trikagni Kalaya Kalagni Rudraya Neelakantaya
मृत्युंजयाय सर्वेश्वराय सदाशिवाय शंकराय श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः.
Very good. Good. You know every mantra, including Gayatri mantra. Om Bhurbhuvaswaha Tatsavidurvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo
न प्रचोदयात्.
Dhiyo Yo.
न
You said
प्रचोदयात्.
Na Prajodayat. Prajodayat means enlighten. Na Prajodayat means please don't enlighten me. Dhiyo Yo Naha Prajodayat. Om Bhur Bhuvaswaha Tat Saviturvarenyam. Oh sun, your light is coming on to earth, around earth. Om Bhur Bhuvaswaha Tat Saviturvarenyam. Bhargo. Bhargo is Bhargava is again sun. Devasya Dhimahi. You are lighting us. Diyo Yo Naha. Diyo is again light. Yo Naha inside me. Prajodayat. Suppose you say Diyo Yo Na Prajodayat. No, don't.
शांति मंत्र.
Shanti mantra.
शांति मंत्र. स्वस्ति वाक्यम. ओम असतोमा सद्गमय
सोमा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतंगमय. ओम शांति शांति
You must
शांति.
not like this. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Your wife's name may be Shanti, then you will get angry. Om Shanti Shanti. The Shanti should come in your chanting. Some people, Om Shanti. Andhra style is very good. Om Bhurbhuvaswaha. Noon ekkadanta meetu pettedila. Kanapadalede. Om Bhurbhuvaswaha Tat Savidurvarenyam Bhargo Deva. Hey, mee ikkada raandi. Kada? In between they will call somebody. Where is my chappal kept? You have to take care of it. All that they will say. And Om Shanti 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 Shanti. Where Shanti? His chanting itself is without Shanti, Ashanti only. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Asatoma Sadgamaya. It should come. Asatoma, no light. Sadgamaya. Got it? Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya. Let light come. That feeling should come inside you. Otherwise you will are in dark. Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya. Shanti Shanti Shanti. You see how nice it is?
पूर्ण पुष्पांजलि. मंत्रहीनम क्रियाहीनम.
Mandrahinam. Many people will say, should I chant something? If I make mistakes, God will punish me. Is it possible to learn anything without making mistakes? So the first time, did everybody
देवा परिपूर्णम
Tadastude, Tadastude.
तदस्तुते.
Everything is your mistake, not my mistake. God, I am making mistakes in my chanting because it's your mistake. Because God is within me. Who is making mistakes? God, I am not making mistakes.
गुरु प्रणाम. ओम नारायणम पद्मभुवम वसिष्ठम
Beta,
शक्तिम.
Madhya Pradesh. Satisfy Madhya Pradesh.
Creativity.
Because you are eating a food that is a Brahma Arpanam. You are giving to Brahma. This is your fireplace. When you feel hungry, fire comes. Jaragni, Jataragni. Right? So you must feed something so that Dahanam will happen. Dahanam happens when there is fire. So where is your fireplace? Stomach. So you are feeding something to the fireplace. Putting anything to fire is called a yatnam. Therefore eating is an yatnam. What you are feeding is a havis. Havis is what you havis. The whatever you put as ghee, rice, everything is called havis. You are putting into havan and it is havanam, and the item putting is called havis. So what food you are eating is a havis. So that has to be dead body. Will you give shavam to somebody? Shavam can be given and then you do digestion, firing it, burning it, Dahanam happens for Shavam. Dead body is fired where? Graveyard. So if your stomach becomes a graveyard. If dead body is fired, your stomach is a graveyard. So you become a mobile graveyard.
Something by animal offerings.
Animal offerings are only for Namke Vaste. And that too as a symbol for energy. It is not one horse is put inside. Some
Ashwamedha.
small portion of a muscle is put inside saying that this is consider it as an energy which I am giving. It's also yours. Flower is given, flower is God's. Energy is also God's. A symbolically representation of offering is done. But doesn't mean kill every animal and then put it into fire. Brahmarpanam. I am eating so that I become creative. Your Brahma will come out. The Brahma's job is creativity. You will become highly innovative and creative person. This is Bhagavad Gita sloka. Brahmarpanam Brahmahavir Brahmagnau Brahmanahudam Brahmaiva tena gandhavyam Brahma karma samadhina. Consider this as a Brahma karma. I am not eating just to fill my stomach to make me creative. Oh God, this food should make me creative. So what sort of food will make you creative? You eat anything which will grow if it had energy. Anything which you plow in mud, Panjabhutatmakam. Expose it to Panjabhutam. Which is Panjabhutam? Earth, water, air and fire. And then it will grow to Akasham. Fine? You need sufficient temperature. Fire is temperature. Sunlight. Little hot. If there is no hot, the grain will not break its skin. It has to be dried first. So fire is required. And it has to be put in mud. Sufficient water. Air is also required. Then it will grow. Such food which is Panjabhutatmakam, when you put it inside your body, it gives you energy. When you are eating one rice, don't think that the rice is what you are eating. If the rice would have been put in Panjabhutam, if you would have been left it in the mud, what will become? That will become another rice plant, which would have given how many rice? Another 1 kg rice. So when you are eating one rice, you are not eating one rice. The energy of 1 kg rice is what you are eating. Understood? And my father was an agriculturalist. He used to say that one rice which you are eating now, or 1 kg rice which you are eating, comes from a place where somebody has plown it and somebody cleaned that area, somebody watered it, and that was taken out from that place, and he must have sold it to a vendor. They took it and then removed the husk, cleaned it, dried it, got it into a shop, put it in a packet, and then you worked somewhere to make money to purchase it. And then the water and the fire, everything is put in the right fashion on a vessel which was manufactured somewhere else, and that Abdullah Kutti or Muhammad Kutti or some Ikaka makes it and then carry that all the way to your place, and you are in the table just throwing it into the dustbin. You are being cruel to how many people? So understand, every bit of rice or item which you get in your table has got this many background. How should you consider it? Brahmarpanam. So you are only becoming an agent for serving it, which is not yours, which you are responsible, or you are supposed to have thanksgiving word for everybody. Brahmahavir Brahmagnau Brahmanahudam Brahmaiva tena gandhavyam Brahma karma samadhina.
Brahma karma samadhina.